Welcome to my digital dental practice in Munich in Germany. I am Dr. Gertrud Fabel and we implemented Primescan 2 into our digital workflows most recently. Primescan 2 gives me more flexibility than ever. As a restorative dentist, I not only export to the lab, I also prefer to make in-house manufacturing, and this is possible via DS Core and Primescan 2. What I love most is that the scanner is wireless, but it's way more. It's scanning directly into the cloud, and I don't have to manage any software. I start every consultation with a status scan. My assistant takes the scan, and I have an overview about the oral health of my patient. In this case, our patient needs a crown in the lower jaw. After the preparation, our patients are tired, so they are more than happy about a really quick scan. And this is possible because of the very short treatment scan. After preparing the crown, I open the patient file in DS Core. I take the treatment scan, focusing only on the area where the restoration is needed, helping me to save time. As you can see, the scan is being captured directly in DS Core with high accuracy. Once we are done, the scanner is free and my staff is able to take the scanner and start the next treatment, while I am free to take care of my ongoing situation. I can continue working in DS Core. Here, the 3D model is calculated and I can immediately see the contact points. I can also set the model axis and review and adjust the preparation margin if needed. From there, I can move forward to design the crown and continue on my workstation. With the CEREC software 5.3, I only insert the block information in the administration phase. All other information has already been transmitted from DS Core. And as the scan file is already there, we directly move to the design phase, where we see an excellent proposal for the crown. If needed, I can adjust the proposal, but in most cases I can directly progress to the manufacturing phase. Or I can upload the design file to DS Core. This will allow me to start the milling job at a later stage and from any device with DS Core. In this case, I upload the design to DS Core when it is added to the patient file. From there, my assistant can take over the complete manufacturing process. Before starting the milling of the crown, my assistant inserts the right block into the CEREC prime mill using the block scanner. Now she can open the design file in DS Core on the tablet and start the milling with prime mill. When the milling process is completed, we continue with removing the restoration from the block and start the process in the CEREC Speedfire. Thanks to recent updates of the CEREC Speedfire, my assistant can see when it is safe to move the restoration for further processing and, finally, placement. With the connection to DS Core, I can now do file and device management from anywhere with DS Core. With manufacturing on DS Core, you can upload your restoration design in the cloud and launch the milling from it on any device. You can even use your tablet while you stand in front of your mill. Primescan 2 fits right in with the classic Chairside CEREC workflow. It gives me the possibility to turn every room in my practice into a CEREC room. I can start a CEREC treatment from every room and continue working on the design independently of the scanner itself. And my team can then continue scanning the next patient. That's the magic. of cloud-based scanning.